Welcome back and to part two for this 66-meter Guy Mast Tower. And if I zoom close, you'll be able to see, you're not able to see all the parts that we had done on the model. You can see that part has been cropped out. So we have to reveal everything here. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just to double click on this blue frame here. Let me just mouse over this, with the mounting mouse over there, the model. You'll be able to just place your left button, place your cursor there and left click, and double click with your left button. And that reason for that, we want every part of the model to be shown on the elevation. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to adjust these depths here, define as distances here, depth down and all that. So you can see the y max and the y max, the maximum at y that can be revealed is 74. The x, the max can be revealed is 40. Now we want to work on the depth down here. So from here, I'm going to just to key in a number here as long as what we want will be revealed. So I'm going to key in here maybe 4,000 or 40,000 there. So I'm going to click modify. So if I click modify, we'll probably have everything revealed here. So let me just give some time and see what will be shown. And just a bit of time, we'll just give some time to process that information. Now you can see another part on the other side has been added. So initially the three legs we were not able to see, we were only seeing two because our window, even this we were not able to see. So you can see how you can adjust the depth, or you can control whatever you want to see on your elevation. So you can see this where the guy wire will be tied and taken to guy wire foundation, and you can see all that stretch all the way up here. If I come all the way up here, you'll be able to see we have this one on the top here. So this is what you need. So again, inside here you can also show the lines of the parts you want to see on the line. So let me just go ahead and press Control A and try. I want this to select everything. You can go further, select everything, and let me just first of all select everything. I want to try to show you what I'm trying to explain a little bit. Now I've selected everything, so let me just zoom close. I want to deselect any part, then select it once again. I want to deselect this part, then double click on it, taking into account all the parts have been selected. So I'm going to once I've double clicked on it, I want to add some more extra lines that I need to be shown on my drawing. So let me just give you some time to load everything, and left click and hold and drag that aside, and you can see lines here, hidden lines, unhidden lines, center lines, and reference lines. You can add the lines you want to be seen, and I can click turn on hidden lines, and you can turn on lines. If I click on that and I go ahead and click modify, and that will be revealed on the elevation view here. So let's just give some time, and everything will be shown as you can see on the screen here. And also there are also ways you can show this. You can come to representation here and click this drop down arrow here. You can use these options, exact, outline. So where we are is outline. If you use exact, we have a different representation of elevation. So you can always try that and see what you have at your disposal. So we have this in place. So all the hidden lines have been shown. So if I come all the way up here, you can see everything has been shown. So for the purpose of good detailing, and when I intend to export this into AutoCAD, I would prefer not to show the hidden lines because it adds more necessary details in the AutoCAD. So I always prefer to hide or not to show the hidden lines. So I think we'll deal with that on the next presentation when we're doing an exportation to AutoCAD. And the reason why you export AutoCAD is because AutoCAD is like a pencil, and most people are conversant with it. So if you export this into AutoCAD, majority will be able to now have a step to start on, and they can add more details to it. Now, since very few are not conversant with Tekla structures and also Comosys, I think you've heard of Comosys is a very staunch competitor to Tekla structures, and that's why I always do some demonstration for Tekla structures and Comosys. You see which one is capable of doing this and which one is capable of doing that, but better than the other, and all of them to rate them, all of them are the same. And now depends on your pocket which tool and at what cost do you need to spend. Now, if I zoom close, you can see we have everything revealed and we have all those in place, and that's it. And I hope you've gotten some idea on how you can generate your elevation in Tekla structures. So let's meet then on the last part of the same topic on how you can export this into AutoCAD and add more details in AutoCAD.